Okay, this is the wig that I ordered that I just unboxed. Well, I'm unboxing or whatever on this video. So this is the wig. See how this wig look? Okay, so yeah, I'm about to unbox it. Now I wonder how it's gonna look on my head because it didn't look like this. Hey YouTube, so I ordered this wig on Amazon and it looked cute on the picture, so I'm about to open it. I'm still at work. I had to deliver it up here because I was at work. And I'm about to open it and see what it look like. And yeah, do this unboxing with me. Okay. My disc. See my disc. And I didn't bring my tripod. Go figure. Okay, I'm about to laugh at this wig look a mess, y'all, because it ain't like it was on YouTube. If somebody did a review on it. This box open. Okay. This is not a human wig, it's a synthetic wig. It's like, I think like $30-something. So, this the package, just a little packaging it came in. So, let me pause this right quick. Let me open this up. So, looks like it's in some type of like Ziploc bag type of container. Peel this bad boy out. Hold on a minute. It kind of these little eyelashes that I don't wear, but okay. I don't know. Just the little card that came with it. Andrea support at AmazonLaceWig.com. Any product issues? Okay. If you share an unbiased product review on Amazon, you will win a new wig. So basically, they want you to review this wig unbiasedly. Okay. Right now, I'm just looking at it because I don't know. It look kind of shiny. I'm gonna have to put some baby powder on this to, take away that shine. And this is the lace. It's a soft lace. It looks clear, but yeah. It's the inside of the wig. It has 4 combs. And yeah, I don't. No, that's not mine. He's so damn rude. But yeah, this how it looks with the little net on it. I don't know. This is just my unboxing, okay? So when I get home, so I put it on, tweak it a little bit, and see how it turn out. Then I'll be back. But yeah, it looks extra shiny, so I'm gonna have to put some baby powder on it. And I don't know. It looks relatively straight, and I think the wig I ordered was kind of curly. I'll put a picture at the end of the video so you can see what I'm talking about. But it was cheap, so I could make it do what it do. And yeah, that's my little unboxing of this Amazon wig from, I didn't hit this phone, Andrea Wigs, I guess. So, my phone tripping. Is he trying to focus in? I don't know. But okay, so this the wig, and when I get home, I'll put it on, and we're going to see how it look. Okay? And I'm going to leave a picture of the wig I actually ordered at the end of this video. Yeah, this is like extremely shiny. I don't know. I got to see when I get home. I still really got the hairnet on it, but shit, don't look like it's going to look no different without it. But okay, bye.